In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a timeline on ClickUp. A timeline is a clear, visual way to see when work starts, how long it takes, and what's coming next. Let's set one up together so you can plan, adjust, and share your schedule with ease. Start on your ClickUp dashboard and open the space or folder where you want this view to live. At the top, click View. Then choose Timeline. This adds a dedicated timeline view to your project. Once it's created, take a moment to customize it. You can switch the timescale to days, weeks, or months to match your planning horizon, and use filters to show only the lists, assignees, or tags you care about. Customizing early helps you focus on what matters most. Now, let's add work to the timeline. You can find existing tasks using the search bar. Type a keyword to highlight what you need, or you can create a new task right from the timeline. Click on an empty spot for the intended start date. Give the task a clear name, and choose the correct list. Assign it to the right person. Add any custom fields your team uses. Set a start and due date. Pick a priority, and add tags if needed. When you're ready, click Create Task to save. Your task appears as a bar on the timeline. Need to adjust the schedule? Hover over the edge of the taskbar and drag to extend or shorten it. This is perfect for quick changes as scope or availability shifts. If you want to add another task, repeat the process and click Create Task again. There you go, building your plan step by step. On the right-hand side, you'll see a list of tasks you can select to place or review. Click any task on the timeline to open its details. From here, you can refine the description, add relationships, create subtasks or checklists, and attach files to keep everything in one place. When you're done, click the X to close. You can also use the Work Smarter with ClickUp AI option if it's available in your workspace to help draft or polish task content. It's a handy assistant right inside your workflow. Ready to collaborate? Share your timeline by inviting teammates to the view. Use their email addresses to grant access and make sure permissions match how you want them to participate. Just like that, everyone stays aligned. Finally, set priorities and apply tags so urgency and context are visible at a glance. If something is critical, mark it as urgent. That's all it takes to use timelines in ClickUp. Simple, flexible, and powerful. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more tutorials.